Alrighty, well, this is that 213 back on the bench, and we got a Texas Star here, Modulator. It's on my 15.5 on my sock Cobra there, and it's not turning on. So that's in peak low audio, so it's just putting out the 20 watts peak that my Cobra puts out. So we're gonna go inside and see what's going on. We'll be back. All right, so I did some basic troubleshooting. The power is getting in, but I'm gonna check out the keying transistor here and take out the board, but it certainly seems like some modification was done. There's no bias or class C as well, so I'm gonna look into that, but I don't know what is going on here. I don't know what the idea here was, so all right, we will be back. All right, so we took out the board, and yeah, looks like a trace down here was blown, and they came in to fix it, so we'll see what's all going on. Okay, we'll be back. All right, so check the keying transistor, replace the 15 picofarad that takes the sample to do the keying transistor. Yeah, it is good. And then I have the relay here, and it's good too. So we're just going step by step, just seeing what we can do, seeing where the problem is on this thing. We'll be back. All right, we got it done. We got it 10-8 and straight. We did the job. What can I say? I love me some Texas Star. It's great to be back on them. So, all right. So let's go around the bench. We're on 15.5. We're just using the stock Cobra 2879. The Cobra 29 LTD here. Okay. It is off. We got 1,000 watt slug in peak. All right. And all right, so let's go ahead and see what the pass-through tune is. Hello audio. See here, we're putting in about 20 watts peak. That is 1,000 watt slug. So we're reading the bottom scale. So that very tack mark right where it goes up to, that's 20 watts peak. Hello audio. All right, so now let's go ahead and turn it on. Okay. This is the input tune, and we're gonna do it first all the way up first. This is the pass-through tune. Hello, not the pass-through tune, the input tune. Hello audio, hello audio, hello audio, sounding awesome. And this is the output here. Hello audio, a solid audio about 100 and audio about 120 watts peak. Okay, and now let's go ahead and put this on halfway. Dead key, very low. Hello audio, and let's roll it back up. Let's roll it up. See, very low, and we're gonna put it all the way down. Okay, low audio, low audio. Input tune, low audio, low audio. It's doing awesome. The receive amp does work. This is with it on, and this is off, and this is on, and this is off. So, all right, let's go inside. No doubt about it. Alrighty, so we're inside of the box here. It seemed to be just like a combo of just small things, and so that was that was the issue. Seems like the keying circuit was kind of iffy here and there. It was just a very kind of touchy box. The input power switch as well is just a little bit finicky, so I made sure to work on that. So let's go through the box. So the variable potentiometer here was basically burned into just all the way to this position. So fully on. And the moment you would try to engage it, it would just completely lose signal. So I went ahead and took care of it, and of course did a complete cleaning. So if you see here, this green wire here, so I removed that whole trace beneath the board. Sure, it could have worked, but I just didn't like it. So I brought it topside from the main power in to where it goes anyway. So that's been fully taken care of now. I put in the RF choke, so it's properly a Class C box, and as you can see, there's no bias, so this is AM only. So I replaced the Toshiba with an HG 2290. I took it out, and it only had a gain of 6. So I put an HG in its place with a higher gain. So that's doing better too. As you can see, I did a power wire upgrade there. Put in the grommet, because this, I get it. It works per se. You can do all the little attachments and solder, but I'm just not about this. So we're just gonna put this right over here and just, yeah. So the keying circuit is the conventional style now, so it's very stable. Took off whatever that was, but I get why it was there. But with enough, it's plenty of ground for the circuit as well. But I understand why that was there. So, but yeah, we took it off. Besides that, I'm just trying to think what else. I think that's about it. Well, but what can I say? It was a lot of fun. And two, I did put on some nice, strong, good tape there to just, just make it look better with just all the holes and how it was. So, alrighty, well, thank you for your time, for watching the video. If you liked it and this is your first time here, please consider subscribing. We got a lot more to go. And then hit share and press that like button. I would appreciate that. If you have any questions or would like to contact me, my email is dragonamps213@gmail.com, or you can call or text at 918-370-2287. And I would love to hear from you. But I think it's on to the next. And we got a lot more to go. And this is that 213, that 213 to the east. San Antonio, way down outside the Alamo. And I'll see you. Bye.